Hey guys, Ben here from PaxPower Performance Trucks in Houston, Texas with another cool new chassis and cool new build to share with you guys. This isn't the first Ranger we've ever done. In fact, we did a handful of really cool Rangers in the 2019-2020 time frame. We think a couple of them are the only Ranger Raptors of that body style to ever make it to the US. So those are a couple of Rangers we're super proud of. But this is the first of the new body style Ranger to come through our shop. Thanks for the customer for trusting us with this. And his wish list was the PaxPower recipe, the same thing we apply to so many trucks. Let's upgrade the suspension and wheels and tires. Let's add some performance. Let's add accessories that not only make the truck work better and look different, but function for the owner, and that's what we did here. So for suspension, we leveled this truck out using all Foutz performance suspension components. And up front, that consists of a 2.5-inch collar lift that gave us a level ride height, a little bit of lift. We also matched that with upper control arms and the Foutz tie rods. In the back, we use the Foutz 4-link billet kit. It's all 4 of the trailing arms. And this suspension system, not only does it look amazing in all orange, I mean, it looks so cool with the Fox shocks, but it actually made the truck ride a lot better. I was kind of surprised how much of a difference it made. Those high quality joints and high quality links help the truck ride better and get through its suspension travel easier. We match that with 35-inch BFG tires. These are the Raptor Spec 35, so nice and lightweight for this truck. And then our favorite Method race wheels in the double black 305 design. For performance, not a lot to show you, but we did the Ford Performance Tune. That's a really cool calibration. Comes from your Ford dealer and adds 50 horsepower and 100 foot-pounds of torque. Really easy, maintains a warranty with Ford. Also let us calibrate the speedo for these big tires, so really cool calibration. And then when it came to the accessories like I was talking about, this up here looks different and has function. This is an ADD bumper. It's a lot stronger than stock. It has a lot more clearance than stock, and it holds 6 BajaDesigns lights that we have wired to the upfitters, and then we've got some 10-inch lights here that are also wired to the upfitters, and really like how this looks and how robust it is. As we're moving back on the truck, there were a few more accessories the customer wanted. He had us do a Retrax Pro bed cover. These are great because they have the slots in them and you can add things like tents or bike racks or whatever you want. And then out back, we did a matching Addictive Desert Design rear bumper with the BajaDesigns lights in it. Again, super strong, looks different, both functional and form. And so if you think this is something you're interested in, the first step, whether you have a Ranger or in the market for a Ranger, give us a call. And further, if you've got a truck in your driveway or a dream truck in your mind and you want us to apply the PaxPower recipe, it doesn't have to be on our website. Give us a call. We'd love to hear from you.